How to fix blurry images on Canva. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in with the so let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up Canva on your device. Now tap on the plus icon. Now choose any format. Now import your image. Tap on add to page. Now adjust the size. Now select the image again and tap on adjust. Now scroll to the right. Now find sharpness. Now on sharpness, increase the sharpness, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.